So next problem, 23rd. 23rd, find the sum of n terms of the series. N terms of the series 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 to the power of 4, so on like this. So in this series, asking sum of n terms. Here 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 to the power of 4. What is the next term? 4 by 1 plus 4 square plus 4 to the power of 4. What is the nth term of this series? Asking sum of n terms. What is the nth term of in this series? Nth term. Nth term, that is equal to n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power of 4. Yes or no? This is first term, second, third, fourth. Similarly, nth term is n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power of 4. But asking sum of n terms. So sum of n terms, Sn is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 to the power of 4 plus so on n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power of 4. So sum of n terms. So this can be written as Sn equal to sum of n terms. Apply sigma. Okay, sigma of n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power of 4. So here n is equal to 1 to n. Sigma n is equal to 1 to n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power of 4. Now simplify this one, then you get some short form. Okay, factorize form. So after then you get result. Okay, now simplify this one. So sum of n terms of a given series Sn is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to n by, this can be written as n to the power of 4 plus n square plus 1. Okay, now observe this denominator. This can be expressed in sigma n by n square whole square plus n square plus 1. Okay, so a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, but not there here too, so that's why add and subtract with n square. Add and subtract with n square. Okay, n square whole square, 2 times of n square, 2 times of n square minus n square, so it becomes 1 n square. Okay, so n to the power of 4 can be written as n square whole square plus 2 times of n square minus 1 times of n square plus 1. So this can be written as sigma n by, this can be written as a plus b whole square. So n square plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square, n square plus 1 whole square minus n square. Okay, now observe denominator. Again this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So here sigma n by n square plus 1 plus n, a plus b into a minus b, n square plus 1 minus n. Okay, so n by a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b, b means here n, into a minus b. So we get n by n square plus 1 plus n into n square plus 1 minus n. Now here n is there. Now this can be expressed 1 by 2 into sigma 2n, convert into 2n by n square plus n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1. Right, and taken as adder n square plus n plus 1. Here n square minus n plus 1. Okay, so here 2 n is there. So that is convert into 2 means multiply and divide with 2. Okay. So now this can be expressed like this, 1 by 2 of sigma. So 2n can be expressed n square plus n plus 1 minus of n square minus n plus 1 by n square plus n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1. Here 2n can be expressed in the form of n square plus n plus 1, this one, minus this one. Okay, so if you multiply with minus, minus n square cancel. Minus into minus plus n, n plus n 2n. Here plus into minus, minus, minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So we get only 2n. 2n can be expressed in the form of n square plus n plus 1 minus of n square minus n plus 1. So difference of these two terms only. Okay, so half into sigma. So this denominator apply both numerators, n square plus n plus 1 by both n square plus n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1 minus n square minus n plus 1 by both these two terms, n square plus n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1. Okay, now this one cancel. Here negative term cancel. What is the left? What is the remaining terms? So remaining terms of sigma, here 1 by n square minus n plus 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. Okay, so we get this one. Okay, so this is nth term of the given series, nth term. If you want first term, so n is equal to 1, then you get first term. If you want second term, if you take n as n is equal to 2. Okay, now check it. Okay, no problem. If you take n is equal to 1, so half into 1 by 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how much? Half into here 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 how much? 1 by 2 into this one, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So we get 1 by 3. So first term is, now check your given problem, first term is 1 by 3 only. 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the power of 4. So we get 1 by 3, first term. Okay. What is the second term? So if you take n is equal to 2, then you get second term. Okay. Now observe, n is equal to 1. If you take n is equal to 1, half 1 by 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So clearly we get half of 1 minus 1 by 3, like this. We get this one. Okay, half of this value is 1, this value is 1 by 2. Okay, if you take n is equal to, if n is equal to 2, so 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So half this value how much? 1 by 4, 2 plus 1 3, minus here 1 by 2 square 4, 6 7, like this. So 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. Okay, if you take n is equal to 3, if you take n is equal to 3, if n is equal to 3, so 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 square minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 square plus 3 plus 1. So half of this value how much? 1 by 9 minus 3, 6 plus 1 7, minus here 1 by 3 square 9 13. So we get like this series. Okay, here first one is first term is half into 1 minus 1 by 3. Second term is half into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. Third term is half into 1 by 7 minus 1 by 3. So sum of n terms. Okay. First term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term plus fifth term, like that. Okay. So I will write clearly. So we get first term. So first term half into 1 minus 1 by 3. Second term half into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. Third term 1 by 2 into 1 by 7 minus 1 by 13, like this. Okay. So sum of these all terms, that is sum of n terms. So Sn is equal to, so every term by taking common half, sum of all terms 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 30 plus so on, like this. So half into yet minus quantity plus quantity, minus quantity plus quantity, minus quantity plus quantity. So we get last one is which one? Last term, nth term 1 by n square minus n plus 1. That much only. Negative, positive. We get positive last term. Okay. So previous term is cancelled. Okay. 1 by n square minus n plus 1. This term is cancelled. So last one, this one we get. Okay. So clearly 1 half minus 1 minus n square plus n plus 1. Half into 1 minus this last term. So middle term all are cancelled only. So half into, if you take LCM, n square plus n plus 1. So n square plus n plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So half into n square plus n by n square plus n plus 1. Okay. This is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Okay.